Welcome to On Chemistry. This is Organic Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have metadienitrobenzene. You react with two different reagents, tin and HCl, sodium sulfide and water. You should find what will be the final product. Here the reactant is same, only difference is reactants. Here tin and HCl is a reducing agent. It don't have any selectivity, so nitro group to amine form. On the contrary, sodium sulfide leads to the only one amine reduction. The mechanism of the reaction is strictly controlled, complicated. Only one amine is reduced. The concept you have to learn here is you have to master the reagents for the conversion in organic chemistry. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion or feedback, comment below.